Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5. We are already working on chapter 4, that is addition and subtraction. And the topic we're going to start with is inequalities with addition and subtraction. Let me write down the lesson name. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down important points on your notebook and definition as well. So let's start with the topic inequalities with addition and subtraction, set 1. Okay, let's start with examples. So you are given with an inequality. You need to see which number makes the statement true, and the example is 10 minus 4 is greater one, the missing number, and plus 1. You have to find actually the missing number. Got it? So we have to start with a side where you have given with the both the numbers. Got it? Just subtract 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6, and 10 minus 4 is 6 is greater than the missing number plus 1. So you are given two of the options. They are 2 and 7. So start with the first option. Let's see if you have 2. So 6 is greater than 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. That means 6 is greater than 3. Got it? That would be correct. Let's check for the other one. Just replace the missing number with 7. It would be 6 uh, greater than 7 plus 1. So it is 6 greater than 8. 6 is greater than 8. Yes or no? 6 is greater than 8. No, false. That means the first option is the correct one. 2 is the number that is missing from here, because when you put 2, the inequality remains true. That would be 6 is greater than 3. Got it? That means the correct option is 2. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. The next one is 8 minus missing number less than 5, and the options you've given is 3 and 5. So let's just start with the first option. Let's compare it with 3. So it would be 8 minus 3 less than 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 is less than 5. Is it true? No, 5 is not less than 5. So that means it's false. Let's check the other one. Replace the missing number with 5. Got it? So 8 minus 5 is and less than 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 is less than 5. Is it true or false? It is true. Got it? That means the correct option is, and the second one, the correct option is 5. Got it? Okay, let's start with test questions. On the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. I'm on the topic inequalities with addition and subtraction set 1. So let's start with the test. Got it? So here is a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, then the first one is 6 plus the missing number greater than 4, and the options are 8 and 9. Let's start with this one. Okay, 6 plus the missing number is greater than 14. The options are 8 and 9. Let's start with the first option. Just replace the missing number with 8. So it would be 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 is greater than 14. Yes or no? No, they are. 14 is not greater than 4. That means 8 isn't the correct option. Got it? And let's just replace the missing number with 9. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 is greater than 14. Yes or no? Yes, it is. That means the correct option is 9. Got it? If you have any question, any confusion, write the question in chat box. I'll answer all your confusions. So the correct option is 9. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 13 equals 9 plus the missing number. The options are 4 and 5. 13 equals 9 plus the missing number, and the options are 4 and yes, 4 and 5. Let's start with the first one. 13 equals 9 plus 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. That means 4 is the correct option. Got it? Because 4 makes the equation to 13 is equal to 13. Got it? That means the correct option is 4. Got it? So just select, you don't need to check the other one. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which number makes the statement true 14 is less than 9 plus the missing number. 14 is less than 9 plus the missing number, and the options are 5 and 6. So let's start with the first option, 5. 14 is less than 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 makes 14. So 14 is less than 14. No, that means 5 isn't correct option. Got it? Let's check for the other one. 14 is less than 9 plus 6. So 9 plus 6 is 15. Got it? So 14 is less than 15. Is it true or false? It is true. Got it? Because 14 is less than 15. Got it? That means the correct option is 6. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 10 minus the missing number is greater than 6. 10 minus greater number, missing number is greater than 6, and the options are 3 and 8. Let's check for the first option. 10 minus 3 is greater than 6. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 is greater than 6. Yes, that means the correct option is 3. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So the next topic is estimate sums and differences of whole numbers. The next topic is estimate sums and differences of whole number. Let me write down the lesson name on the board. Estimate sums and differences of whole number. So let's start with examples. Okay, so the first example is 8,800 888 whole 1 by 7 plus 18 whole 6 by 7. So you have to add them, got it? So just look at the fractional part. Now for the both the fractional part, their denominator is exactly same, got it? So what you have to do when you have same denominators, simply add their whole number part. Just add 818, 888 and plus 18. Just look at the 1 by 7 and 6 by 7. So when you add 1 by 7 and 6 by 7, they have the same denominator. Just add their whole numbers. So 1 plus 6 makes 7 over 7 and it makes 1. Got it? So you can remove the fractional part from both, or either you can write 888 and 18 and the fractional part 1, it makes 19. Got it? So it would be 888 plus 19 and that equals 907. Got it? So 888 plus 19 is 907. Got it? So the answer is 907. Let's start with another example. The next example is 86 whole 6 by 89 whole 6 by 7 minus 3 whole 3 over 7. So it would be 6 over 7. Subtract 3 over 7 is 6 minus 3 is 3 over 7. Got it? Oh, you have to round off or both the numbers to the nearest whole number. So 89 is then rounded off to 90 and 3 whole 3 by 7 is rounded off to 3. So 19 subtract 3 is 87. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Estimate the difference, round each number to the nearest whole number and then subtract. So first of all we have to round both the numbers to the nearest whole numbers and then we have to subtract. So 85 whole 2 by 3, 85 whole 2 by 3 subtract 76 whole 2 by 3. Okay, so just look at the fractional part. 2 by 3 is 0.6 and 0.6 is, that means it is greater than 1 by 2. Got it? That means you have to round up. Round up means you have to add 1 to the whole number, so it would be then 86. And again here you have 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2. You have to round up. Got it? So it would be 86 minus 70, 86 minus 77. Got it? So let's just subtract 86 minus 77. So it would be 86 minus 77. It would be 9. That means that when you subtract them, their answer is 9. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So the correct option is 9. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 89 whole 6 by 7 minus 3 whole 3 by 7. That's the one we did on tutorial. 89 whole 6 by 7 and minus 3 whole 3 over 7. So first you have to round off the fractions and then you have subtract them. So here you have 6 over 7 and here you have 3 over 7. Just look at their fractional part. So 6 by 7 is greater than 1 over 2. Got it? So you have to round up. Round up means add 1 to the whole number. It would be then 90. Got it? Then you have 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is less than 1 by 2. So it would be rounded off to 3. Got it? So 90 minus 3 is 87. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So 87 is the correct option and then click on the button. Okay, the next one is 1 whole 3 by 8 and plus 13 whole 3 by 8. So first you have to round off the fractions and then you have to add them. Got it? 1 whole 3 by 8 and 13 whole 3 by 8. Let me just confirm. Yes. So you have to just look at their fractional part. 3 by 8 and 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is less than 1 over 2. Got it? That means you have to round on the same digit, round on the 1. And then again you have 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is less than 1 by 2. So you have to round on the same digit. So it would be 13 plus 1 is 14. Got it? So the correct option is 14. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 4 whole 1 by 2 and 5 whole 1 by 2. Okay, so it's first you have to round off the numbers to the nearest whole number. Just look at their fractional part. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Got it? That means you have to round up. So 4 is rounded off to 5 and you have same fraction over here. So it would be rounded off to 6. Got it? So 6 plus 5 is 11. Got it? So here you have the correct option is 11. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. 638 whole 7 by 9 and 328 whole 8 by 9. 638 whole 7 by 9 minus 328 whole 8 over 9. So you have to round off the numbers to the nearest whole numbers. So just look at their fractional part. So 7 by 9 is greater than 1 over 2. Got it? So it would be then rounded off to 639. And 8 by 9 is also greater than 1 over 2. So this fraction is again rounded off to 329. Got it? So just subtract the fractions. The whole numbers 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So it would be 310. Got it? The correct option is 310. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next lesson. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's start with the next topic. The next topic is add estimate sums and differences word problems. Okay, let's start with the test. Let me write down the lesson name. Estimate sums and differences oval problems. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, each of farmers each of farmer Soto's 9664 lamb is either black or white. There are 4020 white ones. About how many of the farmer Soto's lambs are black? So you are given, you have to find how many of them are black. Choose the better estimate. So you have to estimate the answers. Got it? So 9664 and subtract 4020. So you have to round off both the numbers and then you have to subtract. Got it? Because you have to estimate the answers. So 9648, 680, 664, 600, the digit right after the thousand digit is 6. 6 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up. So you can round off 9664 to the 10,000. Got it? The next 1,000 to 9,000 is 10,000. So you have to round off the number to the 10,000. And here you have 4,020. The digit that is right after the 1,000 is 0. 0 is less than 5. That means you have to round on the same 1,000. So it would be 4,000. Got it? So 10,000 minus 4,000 is 6,000. So that means the estimated answer is 6,000. Got it? You have to estimate the numbers this way. Like the thousand digit here is 9. Just look at the digit that is right after the thousand is 6. 6 is greater than 5. That means you have to round the number to the nearest thousand. Got it? So the thousand that is right after 9 is 10,000. Got it? So 9664 is rounded to 10,000. Got it? Then you have to round off 4020. So 4 is at the thousands position and the number that is right after the 4 is 0. 0 is less than 5. That means you have to round off on the same thousand. Got it? So it would be 4,000. So 10,000 minus 4,000 is 6,000. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, exactly a year ago, the volume of the Oxford Lake is 34,789. Currently, its volume is 73,185 gallons. About how many more gallons of water does the lake hold now? So that means you have to subtract them because the value right now is greater than the value, the earlier value. So you have to subtract them, but first you have to estimate 73,185 subtract 73,185 subtract 34,789. Okay, so first you have to round off both the numbers. Okay, so here you have 73,185. Got it? So it would be rounded off on the, it would be rounded on the, it would round it off to 74,000. And here you have 34,789. So you can round off the number to the 34,000. Got it? So it would be rounded off to 7 minus 3 is 4, 40,000. Got it? So the estimated answer is 40,000. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Kele, which example you don't get? Okay, let's start with the one I'm doing right now. I'll explain. I'll explain again. Let me know if you don't get this one. Okay. Okay, let's start with the one. Since he was hired, a chef has served 298 adults and 227 children. What is the total number of guests served? Choose the better estimate. So the numbers are 298 and you have to add them, 298 and 227. Got it? Just add them. 298 plus 200. You have to 298 and 227. What is the total number of guests served? You have to find the total number of guests. So that means you have to add them. Got it? The numbers are 298 and 227. Got it? So you have to round off the numbers. You have to estimate the answer. Got it? So here you have 298. So you can estimate 298 to 300 because you're just two numbers away from 300. Got it? You can write round off the number to the nearest 100. Like here you have 298, so you have to round off the estimated number to the nearest 100. So the nearest 100 to 298 is 300. Got it? It is a bit different from the rounding off, so please do not confuse the estimation and the rounding off. Got it? Okay, then you have 227. So 27 is the number, the 2 is at the hundreds position, and the number that is right after 100 is 2. 2 is less than 5. That means you have to estimate on the same 100, so it would be rounded to 200. Got it? Estimated to, you can say it is estimated to 200. Got it? Because here you have 2, 2 is less than 5, so you have to round on the same 100. So 300 plus 200 is 500. Hopefully you'll get it now. If you have any problem again, just write a message. You have to estimate the numbers. Estimation is a bit different from the um, mm, uh, rounding off. Got it? Here you have 298, so you have to round off to the nearest 100. So 98 is 298 is near to 300, so you can estimate the number to the 300. Got it? And then you have 227, so you have to estimate 227, so you can estimate it to 200. So 300 plus 200 is 500. Got it? You can adjust the numbers according to your need. Got it? So it would be round, the estimated answer is 500. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next example is before the recent housing boom, there is 40,264 houses in Lawrence County. Now there is 90,777 houses. About how many houses did developers build during the housing boom? Choose the better option, better estimate. So the first one is 40,000. Do you have to subtract them actually? So 90,717, 90,778, and subtract 40,264. So you have to estimate both the numbers and then you have to subtract. So see here, the 1,000 is 90,000. So you can round off the number to the 90, estimate the number to the 90,000. Got it? Then you have 40,264. So you can estimate the number to 40,000. Got it? It is bit different from the estimation. You can bit different from the rounding off. You can estimate the numbers. You can adjust them according to your need. Got it? Because you have to round off to the nearest 1,000. So it would be then rounded off to 40,000 and 90,000. So 90,000 subtract 40,000 is 50,000. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. If you have any confusion, Kele, you can write again. Hopefully you'll get it now. Okay, the next one is over the course of the summers, campers used 295,230 beads for the crafts check. There were an additional 881,012 that were never used. About how many beads were there originally? Basically, you have to add both the numbers. So 295,230, 295,230, and plus 8881,102. Okay, so you have to 295,290. So you can round off the number to 295,000. Got it? And then you have 881,102. So you can round off the number to 880,000. Got it? Because you can, here you have the one, you can adjust a one to the nearest thousand. So it would be estimated to 880,000. Got it? Just add them. So it would be, it would be it would be one 1,200,000. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next topic is estimate sums and differences of the inequalities with addition and subtraction set 2. The next one is addition and subtraction, estimate inequalities with addition and subtraction set 2. And let's start with the test. Okay, 10 minus 1 is greater than the missing number plus 4. That's exactly the same we did uh, earlier, earlier today actually. So it is 10 minus 1 is greater than the missing number plus 4. Yes, plus 4, and the options are 4 and 6. Let's start with the first option. 10 minus 1 is 9. Replace the missing number with 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 9 is greater than 8. Yes or no? Yes, 9 is greater than 8. That means the correct option is 4. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 1 plus the missing number. 1 plus the missing number equals 9. And the options are 6 and 8. 1 plus missing number equals 9. And the options are 6 and 8. Let's start with the first one. Let's replace the missing number with 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7 equals 9. Yes or no? No, that means 6 isn't correct option. Got it? Just put the 8 in the question. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 equals 9. Is it true? Yes, it is. Got it. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. So that means the correct option is 8. Got it. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Which number makes the statement true? 5 plus 2 is less than the missing number minus 1. 5 plus 2 is greater than the missing number minus 1, and the options are 8 and 9. So just replace the missing number with 8. So it would be 5 plus 2, 8 minus 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 is greater than 7? No, 8 is incorrect option. Got it? Let's check for the 9. So 7 is greater than 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 is greater than 8? Yes, it is. So the correct option is 9. Got it? 9 is the number that makes the statement true. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 11 equals 5 plus the missing number. 11 equals 5 plus the missing number, and the options are 6 and 11. Let's start with the first one. Just replace the missing number with 6. So it is 11 plus 11 equals 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 equals 11. Got it? So that means the correct option is 6. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which number makes the statement true? 6 plus the missing number is less than 10 minus 1. Okay, 6 plus the missing number is greater than, is less than 10 minus 1. And the options are, I think, 2 and 6. Let me just confirm. 2 and 4, okay. So let's start with the 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 is less than 9. Is it true? Yes, it is. That means the correct option is 2. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. 2 is the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 1 plus 2 is greater than the missing number minus 1. 1 plus 2 is greater than the missing number minus 1. And the options given are 3 and 4, I think. Yes, 3 and 4. Just replace the missing number with 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is greater than 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 is greater than 2. Yes or no? Yes, 3 is greater than 2. Got it? That means the missing number, that means the correct option is 3. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 3 plus the missing number is greater than 8. 3 plus the missing number is greater than 8. So yeah, the options given are 4 and 9. So you have to replace the missing number with 4 and 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is greater than 8. Yes or no? 7 is greater than 8. Got it? That means the correct option is 4. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Three plus 4 is 7, and 7 is greater than 8. No, 7 is not greater than 8. Sorry. That let's check for the other one. 3 plus 9 is greater than 8. 3 plus 9 is 9, 10, 11. Yes, 12 is greater than 8. That means 9 is the correct option. Got it? So just, okay, 2 plus the missing number equals 9 minus 5. 2 plus the missing number is greater than 9 minus 5. The options are 2 and 8. Let's check for the 2. 2 plus 2 is 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is greater than 4. No, they are equal. That means 2 is incorrect option. Got it? Let's check for the second one. 2 plus 8 is greater than 4. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 is greater than 4. Yes, 10 is greater than 4. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. Sorry, 8 is the correct option. I selected the wrong one. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So we have done 4 of the topics today. We are already working chapter 4, that is addition and subtraction. We have done 4 of the topics. They are inequalities with addition and subtraction, set 1, and then estimate and sums and differences of whole numbers. Then you have estimate sums and differences word problems, and then we have inequalities with addition and subtraction, set 2. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions of the topic we just did. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. Got it? If you find the video helpful for you, just click on the like button right below the video. And that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.